Hello and welcome to Code with Junie. In the previous two tutorials, we learned some HTML tags. If you haven't seen those videos, be sure to check them out. In this tutorial, we will be learning more HTML tags. The first tag is abbreviated tag. This is the abbreviation tag. It is used to hold abbreviations. It has an attribute title that holds the full meaning. Next, we have the Q tag. This is used to make text with quotation marks. Also, we have the BR tag. This is the break tag. It ends the line and moves the contents after it to the next line. Moving on, we have the cite tag. This is used to put in citation. It makes the text in it appear italic. Next is the block quote tag. The block quote tag is used to start a text with a paragraph. There are more tags to be discussed and explained in future tutorials. Be sure to practice the use of the HTML tags. In the next tutorial, we will be discussing comments in HTML. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more.